Hi, I'm Jenny Powers, and this is our team that's working on the gonadotropin-releasing hormone vaccine, or GnRH vaccine, for birth control in elk. This is Dan Baker, Ivy, Mark, Justin, Annika, and Tracy, and we are looking at methods to control overpopulation in elk and other ungulates. And immunocontraception or a birth control vaccine is one possibility that we could use. Overpopulation in elk is an important issue right now, particularly in areas that don't have a full range of predators that keep populations under normal levels. So we need new and different ways to take care of these issues, particularly when the habitat is being destroyed or there's just too many elk or too many deer for the habitat. These elk here have been treated with the vaccine last year when they were pregnant, and we're currently looking at how many years of contraception they get from one injection of vaccine. This is a collaborative study between Colorado State University, the Colorado Division of Wildlife, and the National Wildlife Research Center with the USDA. Dan, do you have anything to add?
Well, that was good, Jenny. I think the one thing that's novel about this contraceptive is it's likely to give multiple years, which would be a major improvement in existing technology. And the other thing that we're interested in are side effects of the contraceptive. So a lot of the measurements we're making relate to, are there side effects of infertility in these treated females. So that's one of our primary objectives. Others?
We are also interested in what kind of effects the vaccine can have on the offspring of cow elk that are treated when they're pregnant. And so next year we will be looking at the offspringer, which are right behind us, and seeing if there are any changes in their reproductive development and whether they can be reproductively successful in future years. These calves behind us are the offspring from the treated females that were injected with the contraceptive vaccine while they were pregnant last January. These individuals had high antibody titers to the same vaccine that their mothers had from colostral transfer through the milk. So we are interested in finding out whether these antibodies change their reproductive success later in life, or whether the early antibody titers don't have any effect whatsoever. And we'll be looking at this over the next 2 years in these calves. So here we're working on captive elk in order to be able to look at all the different effects that these vaccines may have. It's important to be able to understand these effects before we put it in free-ranging animals. So right now we're looking at the injection site where we put the vaccine about a year ago and seeing if there's any underlying abscesses or scar tissues that the vaccine left behind. We also take blood from them to look for antibodies as well as hormone levels, and we've been scanning the ovaries using ultrasound to look at follicular development and see if the animal is still cycling and going through estrus.